In this video, I will show you how to stop emails going to spam in Gmail so you don't miss important messages from people, businesses, or websites you trust. I'm going to walk you through the steps to mark emails as not spam, add trusted senders, and how Gmail send those messages to your inbox instead. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, comment on the video, and subscribe for more simple Gmail and tech tutorials. Now, here we are on my Gmail, so there's a couple of things you can do to stop emails going into spam. So what I'm going to do is come over to the left hand side, click onto more, and just go into my spam folder. Now what you can do if you do have any emails in your spam folder, if you actually click onto one of their emails, you can see when you click onto the spam email, there's going to be an option at the top to report this as not spam. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is add it to your inbox, but this doesn't always guarantee that future emails from that email address are going to go into your inbox, and there is still a chance they can go to your spam folder. Now to fix this, what you want to do is come back to your spam folder and basically find the company or person that you want to stop emails going into your spam folder for. So what I'm going to do is actually click onto this person here this time, and if you look at the top, you're going to find their email address. Now what you can do is if you hold down your left mouse button and drag to highlight their email, then right click and select copy. Once you've copied the email address, come over to the right hand side and you want to click onto these three dots over here where it says more. What you then want to do on this menu is select the option which says filter messages like this, and that's going to open up a window like this. Now what's important here is that you do enter their email where it says from, and once you've done that, you want to come down and click onto create filter. And once you've done that, you can see we've got some options come up. You can see there's an option here which says never send it to spam. Give that a click to select it, and then click on to create filter. So what this now means is that any future messages from this email address will now directly come into your inbox and stop going into your spam folder. So that is how to stop emails going to spam in Gmail. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.